Hey guys, welcome back to video 2 from BeeBeeCraft. This is my last video for them, where I'm making another pair of earrings using some of the stuff that they sent me. This time I'm using the, 2mm. They're very tiny. I think they're 2mm. They might be 3, but I feel like in my heart they're 2. And then the tourmaline is 3s. Does not matter. I'll have the links that are relevant down below so you can see for yourself. But I'm using the garnets and the black tourmaline to make some earrings. And these were also a gift that I gave away when I did my Povember. They were one of the prizes, so I gave that away. The other ones I kept because they were heavy, but this one I gave away because they were cute and not heavy. But yeah, just making some very, very simple earrings in, I don't know, a fun, funky way. I was just trying some stuff out, seeing what we could come up with. I used the little heart charms that I got, so, you know, a little bit of that callback to the telltale heart, little Povember-ish. I miss Povember so much, you guys. I miss it so much in my heart. Don't worry, we're going to have another one this year, for sure, because I loved it, and it was delightful. But yeah, what am I doing? I am threading some of the tourmalines onto a head pin, it looks like. It's been a minute since I recorded this, you guys, so I'm trying to remember along with you so I can tell you guys what's up, because last time I didn't have that much to talk about, but I don't think I'm going to have that much to talk about this time either, but we're here together. As far as, reviewing these things, the only thing I can say is that the garnets are smaller than I thought they were going to be, but that's my fault for not reading or understanding the metric system. I am a stupid American who just goes by pictures and clicks. That happens every day in my real life too. I am constantly surprised by how small things are because I don't read descriptions. Who has time for that? But since I started getting more genuinely interested in beading, I have gotten a lot better at recognizing bead sizes. So it's a little bit easier for me now to figure out how big stuff is going to be because I know the sizes now. So, I'm improving. I can be taught. I am learning. And I'm actually honestly very impressed. Oh, I think these are the head pins I got from Bargain Bead Box. And they're a little bit thinner gauge than your traditional head pin. So that is something to be aware of. If you buy these beads, you need a skinnier head pin because they're very tiny. So the hole is also very tiny. And I'm just making these little sticks of pretty jewels to go along with our charms and our ear hooks. And I think there's a chain involved. Yes, I believe that is chain that I am looking at. I'm using my one-step looper to make little holes, little eyes for my head pins. I just totally forgot the words. You can do this with a pair of pliers. I have the looper, so I use it. It is not required to make a loop. You just use a round nose plier and twist it around. This just saves my wrist a little bit, and as you guys know, or may not know if you haven't been here for very long, I have flimsy wrist, so anything that saves my wrist a step is, gold in my book. As far as, reviewing things, the gemstones are great. The charms are great. The other thing that I got with this BeeBeeCraft order was a pair of, snipping pliers, and they came with some wire. The wire is inconsequential. I wasn't getting it for the wire. I was getting it for the cutting pliers. The pliers are fine. They're very sharp, so they do cut things, but they're a little bit flimsy in that the spring that's supposed to keep them tense, hold the tension, pops out of the little hole all the time. So I wouldn't recommend them because it's frustrating, and for the same price you can get some that don't do that, which is what I did afterwards. Because I needed cutting pliers that were better. So yeah, that would be the only thing I would not recommend from the entirety of my little BeeBeeCraft haul. But otherwise, everything else was great. I was really happy with it. I don't think I'll be doing this again, even though it's something that you can do. But if you're interested, they do have a thing where you can go onto their website and apply to be a YouTube collaborator. You have to have a channel and a certain amount of subscribers and stuff like that. It's not very high, so it's definitely open to a lot of people to do. But if you're interested in collaborating with them, it's fun. I had fun doing it. I really like what I made, and I like the stuff. So yeah, it was worth it. It was a good deal. And I like how these earrings came out. I think they're really cute. I think they're very They definitely hit the same themes. And yeah, I just had a genuinely good time making these and putting these together for you guys. So yeah, that's going to be it for me. I'm going to jump off of here, and I will catch you guys next time. Happy crafting, guys. Appreciate your faces, and goodbye.